Babe, I'm gonna eat these. I'm gonna eat the same meals.
Do it. I want to see you do it.
You think I'm gonna get similar to that after a day?
I don't.
So we're starting this diet at the grocery store because I have none of this food. Let's go get it. Yeah. Oh yeah. That lettuce. We gotta watch out. Broccoli. Potatoes. Tilapia. Chicken. Tenderloin. Holy smokes. I need so many egg whites. Need more of these. Oh my gosh. This is gonna hurt. Brown rice. Yeah.
How much did that set you back?
Like 120 bucks.
For one day's food?
Well,
basically.
Let's ratio it right there. Boom.
How many grams of protein is that?
I have no clue. Starting breakfast off strong. We're gonna soak this in. We're gonna soak it in. Try not to scrape too much Teflon into my meal. Breakfast is served. Alright, actually I should say meal one. Now this is before we all got soft and we started using all these calorie-free sweeteners and little spices and whatever. This is just plain. It's about getting the food in, not about enjoying the food. Also, I never really mess around with egg whites. Like I never really just eat egg whites, so this is gonna be interesting. I'm gonna let you know how this is. Alright. It tastes like the white of an egg. Well, honey, you know what the oatmeal tastes like?
What's that?
Oatmeal. Glad you liked it. Okay. Oh my gosh, dude, right after that first meal, the magnitude of this is becoming more real to me. I'm gonna have to eat, if my math is correct, every 2 hours if I'm gonna wanna get all this in evenly spaced in the day. When that timer goes off, like clockwork, we gotta be putting in that next meal. Oh, it looks like it's going fast. Okay. It's only 7 ounces. Oh my gosh, dude. Dude, that's not cool.
Are you sure that's right?
Yeah, it says 12 ounces.
No, are you sure the scale's right? It looks like a lot.
I know, what the heck? I've got a backup scale. Dang it, it is right.
Oh my gosh. Are you sure that's supposed to be cooked weight?
I think so. Oh, yeah. So right after meal one, I got cooking some brown rice because brown rice takes like forever to cook. And then today, actually, I'm working on finishing up my basement. My father-in-law is helping me out. He knows what he's doing, so I'm basically just the tool guy, as in like handing the tools. No, I'm trying to do some stuff. But yeah, at about the 1 hour and a half mark, I went and I made 2.5 chicken breasts. Because I was gonna need some for this meal and then another meal in the future, but I literally didn't realize how much 12 ounces of chicken breast actually is until now. Dude, chicken breast is hard to eat, and this is plain. There's no seasoning on this. Like I said, we're not doing this weenie style like nowadays. We're doing this hardcore 2000s style, when they used to just eat the plain stuff. Meal two, let's get this down. We're eating for one purpose and one purpose only. It's to put on as much muscle as possible. Insert motivational music behind that. Get as big as I can before I pay the price. I gotta do what it takes, I gotta sacrifice. Chicken and rice. Chicken and rice. Chicken and sacrifice. Yeah. tilapia coming up next. All right, back to work. Yeah, I can feel my muscles growing. I gotta think anabolic thoughts. So I only got 4 minutes left to my next meal, but at the rate I'm cooking it right now, there's no way it's gonna be done in time. So I reset my timer for 30 more minutes. Anyways, the door is installed. It's installed, it just needs a knob. While my meal's cooking, I gotta make a quick pit stop, if you know what I'm saying. All right, here we are. Okay, meal 3. 12 ounces of tilapia, which is an insane amount if it's cooked. Is it supposed to be cooked weight? Because I figured they're weighing it out from their Tupperware onto their scale, already cooked. So it's gotta be cooked weight, which is an insane amount. Dude, it's so much. This is over a pound uncooked. Steamed asparagus right here, and 1.5 cups of white rice. Say our prayers and dig in. Bless these games, amen. Yeah. Meal 3. So I'm putting together this like bench / shoe organizer thing I just bought, but I realized it's like after 3 o'clock and I only was on meal 3. Dude, there's no way I'm gonna be able to get all this in before midnight if I'm like, dude, what is going on? You know what I mean? Like, this isn't so much food. So I'm like, I need to eat meal 4 right now if I'm gonna wanna get meal 5 in before I go to the gym, because it's gonna get too late, you know? 12 more ounces of chicken, and then 225 grams of cooked potatoes, or roasted potatoes. Let's just get it down, you know? You guys like the pants? I tried to get like a 90s lean pants, you know? Like something like 90s. Do just chicken breast. Oh, get the fly out of here. 12 ounces cooked is literally 2 chicken breasts. Like, that's insane. Like, how much? Oh gosh, dude, let's go. Sorry, the camera ran out of battery because I've been just filming myself eating so much time. Let's go, let's go. Oh, I'm just gonna be honest with you guys. I'm not eating that. I don't know what that is. It's just like burnt bits. Like, I'm not eating that. Look at that pump, man. Look at that, dude. So much freaking protein in this system right now. Got no choice but to be anabolic. It's crazy. Bench is done. All right, but here's the deal. Like, I gotta go make my next meal because, dude, it's getting late. So this meal is supposed to be 12 ounces of tilapia, but after I cooked it, it was only about 10 ounces. However, before I cooked it, it weighed 14 ounces. And I'm still wondering, is it cooked weight or not cooked weight? Regardless though, this is all of the rest of my 2-pound bag, and that was a new 2-pound bag of tilapia. So after I'm done eating this, that will be eating a whole 2-pound bag of tilapia on top of everything else. So I don't know, 2 12-ounce meat, like maybe it was like uncooked. Maybe, I don't know, dude. I don't know, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna take it down. Oh man, I got protein brain. And I also got protein colon too. Dude, my farts. I was in the garage when I was putting together that bench, and my fart was like, dude, nuclear. Anyways, a little trivia. If you're wondering, why all the tilapia, the white fish? Well, if you don't know, based on my knowledge, the open guys back in the day, and maybe even nowadays, they believe that eating white fish, that it would help like dry out the skin, create like this like thin skin look. Another reason though that I can totally relate to right now is the tilapia goes down so much easier than chicken, and it's very lean and super high in protein. Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth open. I don't have time for both, you know. Oh, that broccoli is gonna fight back later. Oh. Oh, dude. It's passing. It's passing. I just got a weird cramp. That was weird. Okay. Alright. Okay. 2 scoops of whey protein and some intra-workout BCAAs plus glutamine. That's apparently what's on the meal plan here. Honestly, mad respect for these open guys then and even now. I mean, this like amount of food is just, it's insane. It's absolutely, dude, it's like it's a prison. This amount of food is like a prison. Like you can't do anything other than eat. Like all I've been doing all day is eating. And it's a full-time job. That's the thing is like if you're doing like an eating challenge, you're eating like a lot of junk and it's just like sliding down. Dude, the lean protein is, I can't even explain it. Like it's horrible. It's horrible. And to think these guys are doing this every day for weeks on end, like how do they do that? Like, dude, it's insane. Like, dude, like I can barely handle this. I have to get these 2 scoops of weight on after the workout, and then I got to make it home to get 2 more meals in. I don't even know how I'm gonna do this. I'm so screwed.
Your farts smell so bad.
Yo, I know. I'm sorry about that back there.
They smell like rotten eggs.
It's getting so late. Holy moly. I gotta eat. Alright, let's get this down. A little taste test, hold on. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's nice and cold. I put a few ice cubes in there and that's really good. Gotta get home and gotta get my next meal in because I have 2 left. Dude, this is insane. This is meal 7 or 6 if you don't count the protein shake. It's supposed to be 12 ounces of tenderloin steak or top sirloin, steamed spinach on the side. I boiled the spinach. The steak is, so it was 14 ounces when I bought it raw, but it broiled down to about, it was like 10 something, so almost 11. I'm logging it, I'm eating it. What sounds good right now is honestly like a piece of bread or like a bowl of cereal maybe. Oh, I did a good job on the steak though. My wife helped me cook that, look at that. Yo, good job. That's really good. Alright, camera keeps dying. My jaw is getting so tired though.
Oh yeah.
My jaw is so tired. What's up?
This is a lot.
Yeah, I don't know, man. If they're just lying to me and I'm like eating all this website's just full of crap, dude, then I'm the dumbest idiot ever. Look at that. Dude, I actually feel like, do I look lean?
Yeah. It works.
It works. My body's screaming. I can't believe Phil Heath was doing this every day for weeks. Like, it's insane. To think that right now it's after 10 o'clock and I had to speed run this after the last meal because I got to go to bed because I got to get up. Like, if I had to do this again tomorrow and the next day, like, dude, the only reason I'm, like, excited right now is because I know this is my last meal and I'm done with this challenge. But if I had to just keep going, like, dude, am I going to be all right? Like, I've had, like, over 400 grams of protein. I think 500 almost. I've been drinking so much water. This is nice and soft. Alright, we're doing this. This is finished. Oh. And that's all she wrote, brother. Oh, dude, I don't know if this is my back or what. Oh. Holy crap. Yeah, flexing. I feel like I have like a brick of food down here. But do I actually look like drier, perhaps? A little bit? It's only one day, I know, but... Oh man, dude, I'm not eating anything today. Like, I'm zero. That's all I'm eating.